Guys, it's Daijia. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So I'm really excited because I feel like it's been kind of a while. Well, like, I posted a video last week that was kind of like in the drafts for a little bit, but now I'm like back to filming and I'm really excited. So as you can see by the title, we're going to be filming a Valentine's Day inspired makeup tutorial. Yeah, as you guys know, Valentine's Day is coming up. I mean, I don't have a Valentine, so it is what it is, but I do love everything pink, girly, red, love, Valentine's, all that cutesy stuff. So I was like, let's just make myself feel a little bit better about not having a Valentine and do some cutesy Valentine's makeup. Now, like I said, it's been kind of a while since I did some makeup, so hopefully this look turns out cute. Yeah, if you guys want to see my Valentine's Day makeup tutorial, then just keep on watching. I'm like breaking out a little bit, so let's just ignore that. But as you can see, I did my eyebrows off camera, so now we're just gonna get into the eyeshadow, which is my favorite part. So first I'm just gonna prime my eyes with the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 20. Gonna blend that out with a beauty sponge. I always prime one of my eyes, but then I'm like, oh wait, I should make a TikTok. So then I don't even like do it, but it's okay. I don't really know what I'm doing. I know I want to do something that like looks like a heart. So I'm going to be taking my very dirty, dusty Makeup Revolution Alexa Stone palette. I love this palette because it's super colorful. It has all like the colors that you need. And I'm gonna take the first pink in that palette on a M504 brush. I'm just going to put that on my outer corner and also blend it into my crease. I'm going to take this big Juvia's Place brush and just make sure that's blended out. And now with that same M504 brush, I'm going to take the second pink in the palette and just basically place it in the same spot but lower to create like a gradient blended effect. And on a M441 brush, I'm going to take the third pink and put it on the outer corner and also into the crease. I'm going to take that big Juvia's Place brush and just make sure everything is nicely blended. I'm also going to bring it a little bit down my nose. And now I'm just going to do like a half cut crease on this eye. And I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 20. I love this concealer. And I'm going to take that on a M124 brush. And I'm gonna take this elf, I think, like flat fluffy brush and just tap that where I set the crease, where I cut the crease, just to make sure it's not streaky before I set it with eyeshadow. And now I'm just gonna take this ABH Alyssa Edwards palette and I'm gonna take headliner on a similar flat but fluffy brush. This is Real Techniques. I'm just gonna set where I cut the crease with that white. And then I'm going to take the M441 brush and the second pink from the Makeup Revolution palette and just blend out the cut crease. So cute. Okay, so now I'm going to try, keyword on try, to create a little heart right here with the Juvia's Place concealer. Yeah, so I'm going to try to do that. Just give me a second. Okay, so I did my other eye off camera. Now I'm just going to do eyeliner. I'm going to use the LA Girl gel liner. And I don't think I'm going to do a wing just because I don't want to mess up the little heart. By the way, look at the heart, guys. I did my best. I have a shaky hand, so please don't judge me. Okay. Cute. I kind of just like went under the heart a little bit. That looks cute, guys. Ah, okay. So now, really quickly, I think I'm just gonna do my base, like my foundation, all that good stuff. I don't think I'm doing anything special for my foundation, but I do want to come back with you guys to do like blush and all that good stuff because I want to go hard on the blush. And just do like some cute stuff. So really quickly, just let me do my foundation. Okay, so I just did my cream products and like my concealer and all that good stuff. Before I put on powder, I want to do blush with you guys because I'm really excited. I literally never used this blush before. I got it for Christmas. It's the Juvia's Place blush that everyone's talking about in Rosy Posy. So I'm really excited. It's really pigmented. So I'm literally just gonna use a little bit, and I do want it to be super bright, so I might have to add more. Beautiful. Yeah, I'm probably gonna add a little bit more. You really have to like know how to use it when you're going like into it. So like I've seen a bunch of videos of people saying how pigmented and like beautiful it is and stuff because it's meant for like Black people obviously and like darker skin people to be able to use it to show up and still be beautifully pigmented, obviously. So that's why it's so pigmented. Anyways, it's for a specific audience. Not everybody is gonna be able to use this, but I think it's really beautiful. And this is the shade Rosy Posy. What is that? I don't know if I said that, but it's so beautiful. I kind of want to add more. Am I crazy? Am I crazy to want to add a little bit more? Maybe just a little bit. See, like, this is a very workable, blendable blush. You just have to know. Like, just go in with a little tiny bit to start. Don't go all crazy. And my thing is, like, with liquid blush, you kind of, like, know to go easy. Like, why would you just randomly... And, like, look, it literally looks pigmented, and if you know Juvia's Place, you know they have like a lot of pigment and stuff like that. Like, it looks pigmented, so I'm just like a little bit confused on what like some people are confused about, but this is gorgeous. I love her. Okay, so now I'm just gonna set my under eye, and don't worry, I'm gonna bring back some more after it's set with some powder blush and all that good stuff. But let me just set my under eyes really quickly so nothing creases. And this Juvia's Place blush and concealer combo, they're like just melting together beautifully, sitting on top of each other beautifully. Everything about this combination is gorgeous, so we love her. I'm gonna take this BH Cosmetics brush, and I'm gonna take the second pink shade in that Makeup Revolution palette. I'm just gonna bring my inner corner of my eye look a little bit down my nose some more. And now for my under eye, I'm gonna take the E36 brush on that second pink and just put that under my eye. So I think I'm just gonna do a nude lip. I don't want to do too much, but I'm gonna go off camera, put on a lash, maybe do some faux freckles, a lip, and then I'll come back with you guys for the finished look. I think it's so cute. I love it. I'm super proud of myself. I have the shakiest hand on earth, so I didn't know how this heart was gonna turn out, but it's looking pretty good. So I'll see you guys in a second. Alrighty, my little sweethearts. So for lashes, I just did my Dye Silk lashes that I really love from Amazon. I'll link them down below because I honestly love them so much. And then for lips, I just used the Juvia's Place lip bundle, and I actually don't know what this lip bundle is called, but this is in Cola, and this liquid lipstick is in Self Love. So yeah, guys, this is the finished look. Oh, and I just put some of this like beauty store gloss, because y'all know beauty store gloss is we doing the thing. But this is the finished Valentine's Day look. I love it so much. I think it's so cutesy. I think it's so Valentine's Day, and I feel like I really just needed like some girly pop energy in my life. I really want to do like an anti-Valentine's Day look because I feel like I did that one year and I really loved it. So next video will probably be anti-Valentine's Day. But anyways, I'm getting ahead of myself. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you like me, please subscribe. I really want to get back into posting, and I really want to try to grow this channel because I really do love YouTube and all that good stuff. I'm trying to work on going to school for my dream, which is acting. I guess this is just a little like about me just randomly in the end of this video. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like this. I hope you liked this video. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can keep up with me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff will be on the screen right here. It'll also be in the description box down below. Happy Valentine's Day. I don't have a Valentine's this year, but it's fine. I'm still gonna try to make Valentine's Day cutesy and nice for myself. If you have a Valentine, good for you, I guess. It's like, I'm just kidding. Yeah, happy Valentine's Day, and I hope you guys like this video, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.